Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make super easy DIY soaps from home. First, you're just going to want to get any type of silicone mold that you would like for your soaps. I just got some off Amazon. And then for your soap base, I got a glycerin soap base that already has like coconut oil and everything in there that I would want to have in my soap. And then to add any pigment to your soaps, you're going to want to use mica powders for this. They are safe for soaps, cosmetics, anything like that. And then I just got some essential oils. You can get any scent that you would prefer. And then this is totally optional, but I ordered some dried herbs and flower petals and stuff like that just to add to any soaps just to make it prettier. So once your soap base is melted, if you're doing different scents or colors, you're going to want to separate it into different bowls. So I'm going to do that real quick because I'm doing 4 different soap scents. So I'm going to start off with my lavender soap, and I'm just going to take a little bit of the purple powder. You don't need a lot of it to be pretty opaque. And then after that, I'm going to put some dried up lavender flower into the mold and then add essential oil to that. You're going to want to do about 6, 7, or 8 drops for it to be pretty strong of a scent. And I'm just going to continue that process for all of my other scents. So after they're all finished, you're going to want to let them air dry rather than put them in the fridge to dry, because if you put them in the fridge and then take them out, they will start to sweat and kind of let a lot of moisture out. And this is because of the glycerin in the soap. If you put it in like a really cold environment and then take it out for it to be warmer, it's going to look for moisture and then all of the moisture droplets are going to come out. So you're just going to want to let them air dry. It'll take about 2 hours or so. And then after that, you're just going to wrap them in some plastic wrap and then you're all finished.